How to delete Snapchat filters. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application and it will lead you directly to your camera section, right? Now, all you have to do is to choose the filter that you want to delete. So let's say here we will see a lot of filters, right? Now let's say this filter here, you want to delete this filter. All you have to do is on the upper left, you will see your Bitmoji, right? Under that, you will see the filters profile or something like that. So if you tap on that, you will see the information about this lens or this filter. And here you will see remove lens. Now, this is how you delete your lens. All you have to do is to remove it and basically it won't be in your shortcut for lens or filters here. Now, let's say you want to delete a filter because you feel it's very inappropriate or something like that, then what you can do is, for example, let's just choose more visible one, this one. Let's say this. So just do the same thing. Go to your filters information and tap on report here. And all you have to do is to answer why are you reporting this. It's let's say this lens is inappropriate, and all you have to do is to actually um, explain briefly why it's inappropriate or you're having a problem with that. And basically, that is how you delete Snapchat filters. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.